I'm Paola and I'm from Italy originally. I'm studying MSc Theoretical Physics.
My name is Jackson. I'm from the US and I study mathematical physics.
My name is Nisha Graywal and I'm a second-year PhD student in the School of Physics and Astronomy. I did the MSc program in particle nuclear physics.
Hello, my name is Alban. I'm from France, Paris, and I'm doing an MSc in particle nuclear physics.
I wanted to come here to study physics and astronomy because the department is really well renowned and has connections with a lot of top facilities like CERN.
What I think is so wonderful about Edinburgh is that not only the students but the staff share that same sort of youthful whimsy about this subject that I think is part of what makes it so beautiful.
I really enjoy being a postgraduate student here. The fact that there are several campuses, the main one, or King's Buildings, is quite nice. You have several places to go to study if you want to.
I really enjoyed being around people who shared my passion for physics. I worked in industry for a couple years and I really missed taking classes and learning new things.
There's certainly more of an atmosphere of collaboration here. I've enjoyed making friends that love doing what I'm doing as well.
I'm doing particle physics and we all know Peter Higgs was a professor here. It's incredible to be in that thriving environment.
Doing the MSc also gave me the opportunity to meet different professors who study a lot of different things, and so I was able to attend seminars and colloquium as an MSc student and learn more about astronomy fields in particular, and that helped me decide what I wanted to do my PhD in.
When picking a dissertation topic, you'll have such a vast choice and opportunity to explore different areas that maybe you didn't even encounter in your BSc or undergrad. We could pick not only modules from the School of Physics and Astronomy, but also modules from perhaps the School of Mathematics, of Computing, of Geoscience, of Biological Sciences. So really there was a very vast choice.
I came in with a pretty keen interest in cosmology and astrophysics, and there is a wealth of courses to be found here that cover those sorts of things, from computational astrophysics to cosmology to galaxies, which has been one of my favorite, all the way up to geometry of general relativity for those who are more interested in the pure maths side of everything.
I really enjoyed the proximity we have with the staff, and they're really available to us. You can email them whenever and they'll respond to you quite quickly. It kind of feels like being part of a community, which I really enjoy.
The program staff is incredibly helpful. There are so many contact points that you have to go through before choosing your classes and finding your dissertation that there's a lot of ample opportunity to find what you really want to be doing.
And all the TAs were really helpful during tutorials and sometimes even outside of tutorials if I ever needed extra help.
There's also the career services, free for any student, and it's free for up to 2 years after graduation. You can use this service, and they really helped me build a very strong CV, and they help advising you with the cover letter. It's a really, really good service.
So I really enjoyed living in Edinburgh as a postgraduate student. The city is very easy to get around. I've been able to explore a lot of it. There's a focus on sustainability, which I really appreciate.
One thing that made Edinburgh such an attractive choice for me was geographically, it's just so easy to get pretty much anywhere. Being able to have access points to, the entirety of the UK, as well as Italy, Germany, Spain. It's been a real blast getting out.
In some of the free time that I had, I've gone on some excursions into the Highlands with my friends. We did a bus tour that was organized by the uni, and we got to see the Eilean Donnan Castle or Old Man of Storr.
But also in the city itself, there are very big parks, even just Arthur's Seat itself for a little hike. I have joined a sports club. It was a great way for me to socialize and meet other people also outside my course.
I found the MSc really helpful for preparing me for my PhD. With programming skills, I learned how to read papers, how to write papers, and just general collaboration as well.
It prepares you for a PhD or for some kind of job in tech and data or in industry, and I really enjoyed that versatility and flexibility that it gives, basically.
The master's program is a lot of work, but it's incredibly rewarding work. Because of that, and because of all the lovely, life-changing people I've met here, I could not recommend University of Edinburgh enough.